Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to filter job type in Instawork. So to filter job type in the Instawork app, open the app and tap on the Shift tab at the bottom of the screen. Then tap the filter icon, usually located in the top right corner. Here you can select specific job categories such as bartender, warehouse associate, or a line cook, depending on your skills and interest. Additionally, you can refine your search by setting a preference for shift date, time, pay rate, and distance from your location. Applying these filters will help you display shifts that align with your selected criteria. Regularly updating your filter ensure that you see the most relevant opportunity. If you wish to reset your filters and view all available shifts, simply tap the clear filters option. Utilizing these filtering tools help streamline your job search, making it easier to find shifts that match your qualification and availability. And that's it.